You need a document camera, but you can't afford to buy one? Check out this simple tip using a smartphone or a tablet to get you started. Tech Teaching Tips, helping teachers find the best technology resources without breaking the bank or wasting time. So what you want to do, if you haven't done so already, is check out our other Zoom video on how to get started. Check out the link in the description below. Head over to zoom.com, get downloaded, get set up, get signed in. Now, once you've done that and you've started a meeting, you'll want to dial in to your meeting from another device. As you can see here, I've actually done that on multiple devices. Now, what I've done is I've set up an iPad, and you can see I've also got my phone there. But I've set up my iPad to function as a document camera. And it will work just like a regular document camera. This will also work on other tablet devices as well. You can switch between different views, and you can have students pin that tablet device right to their screen by clicking on it. Here you can see we've done a math example using this method. We can do writing examples using this method. You can do just about anything you could on a regular document camera. Be sure to click the subscribe button so you can get the latest notifications. Head on over to techteachingtips.com to get signed up so you can receive our newsletter and latest updates. If you like what you see in this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment below.